go to mandalacreator.com, the link that I provided, this is what you're going to find. And then if you can kind of see when I move my mouse around, these dots move. So as you draw, you're going to create your own mandala. You can change the opacity or how dark the color is. So you're going to see that's kind of like translucent and see-through as it goes. You can move it all the way up, so then it's really solid. You can change the size of the brush tip, make it much larger. You can come over here and change the color. The trick with changing the color is once you found your color, it's not going to save it. You have to click OK, and then you'll see this stays that color. I like using a smaller brush, and then you can kind of come in and do your thing. There's not a way to just regular save this. At least I haven't figured that out. You can look at other people's mandalas down here. And then if you decide you don't like this and you're tired of playing around with it here, you can click clear. You can change how many sides there are to your mandala. So like maybe you only want 2. And then it's just going to do a mirror image. You can then change it in the middle of your drawing to say we want 4. And then you just get the 4 there. You can have it be a mirror image or not. So if it doesn't go mirror image, it does this weird kind of like knot kind of thing. Let's clear this so you can see that a little bit better. If you guys look at Celtic knots, you'll see that there's designs similar to this. I prefer the mirror, but if you do more sides and not have it like that, it kind of does this cool design kind of thing. It will show the guides or not show the guides depending on what you want. And that's kind of it. There's different brushes. So it says like dots. Yeah, you just have to kind of play around with it. This I haven't figured out. Doesn't seem to really do anything. The highlight does like a flat brush kind of thing. So yeah, trying different things, you can get different options and different outcomes. So play around with it, have fun, create a few, and then screenshot the one that you like the best and share that on the forum. Have a good day, guys.